What's up, squad? I'm back with a freaking banger, and today I'm gonna be rating my slimes. So I only have one right now because I didn't get all of them. So I have to do that. They're not in my fidget bin. So one of them are sticky, which is this one. This is the stickiest one, and yeah. And I have some on my cousin's bed. My grandma's gonna be here watching her show, so yeah, I might see my grandma in here. So I forgot. I let my cousin take mine. That probably took a while. So I let my cousin take my other two slimes with her friend, and I only have 4 now. I let her take one. So I'm gonna show you guys what they are. I added lotion to this for me and my cousin. So that's my Gucci. That was on my foot vault, but I put it in there and forgot to take it out. But this is the glossy clear. It's not clear no more because I put lotion in it. Glossy clear. I can't pronounce this word right. Retro Glam. I put the beads in there. I was thinking of putting some beads in this glow one. I got blueberry slime. It's not blueberry no more. It was blue, and I added my other slime to it. And last one is sparkle slime. So now that we named all the slimes, it's time to go test them out. How can I not hold all these when there's only 4 slimes? Okay, turn. So you might hear TV noise. My grandma's watching Zoo. So the heck is that? I don't know. Okay, so first we're gonna start with the sticky slime because it's sticky, and I don't like playing with the sticky. This thing's, yeah, sticky. Okay, I'm not gonna even take this all the way out because it's gonna go everywhere. So this is very sticky, and it's like it's getting bad. It's not like that good. This one I'm rating that stuff smells. Okay. The sticky slime, I'm rating that one 7. So now this one, I love this one. Not that much though, because the beads fall out too much. And it's like, it doesn't poke that much. Now this one is starting to get sticky. So I'm going to be making more slime, guys, so don't worry. There's hair in it. Get out my slime. Okay, I got it out. Yeah. So yeah, I love this one. Wait, no, I didn't. Found it. Found the hair. Oh. Yeah. Okay, it's not only one more. Sorry. I can't stop playing with this one. It's so good. So I rate this one a 9 out of 10. So yeah, I like this one. So I rate it a 9 out of 10. Pearl cake. This is a little sticky, and I love this one a lot. So I already know what I'm rating this one. It's so good, guys. Oh, and it's so soft. It smells so good because I added lotion to it. I love it so much. I don't want to stop playing with it. I can't stop. Ma'am? Okay, I'm doing something real fast. Okay, so now I got this on. It smells disgusting.
Just a little bit.
That feels good. This one is hard a little. They're playing around. Akinta. This one I'm rating. Oh wait, I forgot to rate this one. I'm rating this one a 10 out of 10. I love it. This one is really hard. I'm rating it a 6. But thanks for watching so much. I'm so glad that you guys are getting me higher on my subscribers. I wish I could subscribe to my own YouTube channel, but thanks for watching. Bye.